Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Anne and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on incentive contracts. What is an incentive contract? An incentive contract is a contract type that focuses on incentivizing a contractor or service provider to provide a better service. An incentive contract is appropriate when a firm fixed price contract is not, and the required supplies or services can be acquired at lower costs. The amount of profit a contractor makes on an incentive contract is related to their performance. What is the purpose of an incentive contract? The purpose of an incentive contract is to motivate the contractor to deliver a better product or service. They are designed to obtain specific acquisition objectives by establishing reasonable and attainable targets that are clearly communicated to the contractor, and including appropriate incentive arrangements designed to motivate contractor efforts that might not otherwise be emphasized, and finally, discourage contractor inefficiency and waste. There are normally 5 types of incentive contracts used by the government. These are fixed price incentive, cost reimbursement incentive, performance incentive, delivery incentive, and finally, structuring multiple incentive contracts together. I will go into more detail on each of these incentive type contracts next. The first type of incentive contract I will discuss is fixed price incentive contract. A fixed price incentive contract is a fixed price contract that provides for adjusting profit and establishing the final contract price by application of a formula based on the relationship of total final negotiated cost to total target cost. The final price is subject to a price ceiling, negotiated at the outset. The two forms of fixed price incentive contracts are firm target and successive targets. The second type of incentive contract I will discuss is cost reimbursement, from which there are 2 contract types: cost plus incentive fee and cost plus award fee. A cost plus incentive fee contract is a cost reimbursement contract that provides for an initially negotiated fee to be adjusted later by a formula based on the relationship of total allowable costs to total target costs. A cost plus award fee contract is a cost reimbursement contract that provides for a fee consisting of 1. A base amount fixed at the inception of the contract, if applicable and at the discretion of the contracting officer, and 2. An award amount that the contractor may earn in whole or in part during the performance and that is sufficient to provide motivation in the areas of cost, schedule, and technical performance. The third type of incentive contract I will discuss is a performance incentive contract. A performance incentive contract tries to motivate a contractor based upon the achievement of specific goals or objectives. Performance incentives in this type of contract may be tied to specific product characteristics such as a missile range, an aircraft speed, an engine thrust, or vehicle maneuverability, or other specific elements of the contractor's performance. These incentives should be designed to relate profit or fee to results achieved by the contractor, compared with specified targets. The fourth type of incentive contract I will discuss is delivery incentive. A delivery incentive contract should be considered when improvement from a required delivery schedule is a significant government objective. It is important to determine the government's primary objectives in a given contract. For example, earliest possible delivery or earliest quantity production. The final type of incentive contract I will discuss is multiple incentive contracts. This is basically where you combine different incentive structures into one contract. A properly structured multiple incentive arrangement should motivate the contractor to strive for outstanding results in all incentive areas. Thank you for watching this tutorial on incentive contracts. For more information, please visit the webpage to include reference locations in the Federal Acquisition Regulations. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.